Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share with you these cards that I made using this Holiday Homestead Recollections Christmas paper pad. This is the 6x6 sheets. Now I've already used some of this with some other projects and that, so what I had left, and I still have some pieces left over. Actually, I have quite a bit of small pieces left over. But this is what I made. I made 17 cards. So I'll just show you them quickly. And I did put a message inside every single one of them. So I just had these two and just changed them up a little bit. I did follow, I was watching a video and kind of got the idea from her and used like the patterns and that the way that she did, but I did the layering probably different than she did, but it's that. I'll put her information below so you can go check it out. It's that one. I know Christmas with the black isn't traditional. However, with a lot of this paper pad, it had the black in it, so I thought it just fit perfect. And you could add some pieces to it and some glitter and other spots, like, you know, like on this side or something like that. But I'm just going to keep it as is. Thought that one was really pretty. And like that. And like that. So I thought I would share with you the 17 cards that I made from the remaining part of this paper pad that I had. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.